Talking about myself. Hello, my name is Deimar David Martinez. I am a single and 19 years old boy. I am from Villavicencio Meta, but currently I live in the city of Yopal Casanare. I am an agronomy student at the UNAT University. In my free time, I usually like to read, although I also do other activities like draw, listen to music, or sometimes I prefer to play video games. Talking about my city town, the main touristic places in my city, Yupal Casanare, are Viewpoint of the Virgin of Maneir, the Naqua Water Park. There is also a theme park of Stone Tales, and finally, another main touristic site is the park Calle de Resurgencia. The typical food in my city is roast beef and sancocho, which is a chicken broth. The main celebrations in my city are the fairs and festivals, the agro-industrial fair, the Yupal's birthdays, the livestock fair, and among other festivities. In my city, I can go to the movies, go out to eat in nice place like Unicentro, go to parks or tourist place, and lastly, I can also attend school events of other festivities.